So ayun mga paps, andito nga po tayo ngayon sa Cavitex, Kawit Interchange at ipapakita ko nga po sa inyo itong groundworks na ng Cavitex Calax Connector or ang Cavitex Calax Link Expressway. Meron nga po itong tiyatayang haba, no? At roughly 700 meters na puro viaducts nga ito mga paps. So with this project, ay magkakaroon na nga po tayo ng seamless connectivity between the two expressways, no? Yung Calax at yung Cavitex. Again, isa nga rin po ito sa proyekto para sa Luzon Spine Network kung saan lahat nga po ng expressway from south to north ay halos iko-connecta na nga po yan lahat, no? Para nga po seamless yung pag-travel natin using the expressway system dito nga po sa ating bansa. Isa nga po sa mga benepisyo ng proyektong ito, aside from a seamless connectivity, ay maibsan nga ang pagbigat ng daloy ng trapiko, lalong-lalo na nga po dito sa intersection ng Terona Highway, pati na nga rin po ng Antero Soriano Highway, lalo't lalo ng intersecting nga po itong mga lugar na ito, papasok at palabas ng Cavitex. Kaya nga po napakalaking bagay at napakalaking paglesen nga po ng volume ng sasakyan once na maitayo na nga po itong Cavitex Link Connector.
Hundreds of hymns for idols and thieves, and I've learned what my patchwork is worth. Daughter of a son of a daughter, son of a daughter, daughter of a son. What would you pay for water when you're on the road alone? Farther along the path of time, to the north and the west of trouble, you can greet the mother of the sea as her rising tides make you see double. And the author, he comes from Iceland, a land of geysers and quakes. Wool for your blanket and fish for a meal, it will all work out if we fake it. Daughter of a son of a daughter, son of a daughter, daughter of a son. What would you pay for water when you're on the road alone? Daughter of a son of a daughter, son of a daughter, daughter of a son. What would you pay for water
gotta make it right.
Make it right.
People, where are we going? And the children, what will we show them? There's still a chance for us to change and take us to a better place.